Hello, I'm Steve Hirschhorn, or Steve H, and this is a Gallery Teachers Masterclass, and it's called Observation for the Woke. Now, I never really minded being observed. I don't know about you. Most teachers don't like being observed. I've met teachers who are shaking with fear before they go into a class where they know somebody's going to observe them. And over the years, I've begun to realize that it's quite wrong, isn't it? It's obviously quite wrong. Teachers shouldn't be frightened of being observed. So something somewhere is going very badly wrong. And my session, Observation for the Woke, will start by looking at what woke means in this context. And then we'll go on to look at various models of observation, some of them quite technical, but I'm sure that that'll be fine, because when we've finished there, I'm going to dismiss all of that, and I'm going to try to present a completely new model of observation, but not only observation, but also feedback, because there are two parts, aren't there, to this process. One is when somebody comes to watch your class, and then the second part is when that somebody, whoever they are, gives you the benefit of their extraordinary wisdom and tells you all the things you've been doing wrong and how you can put them right. So what I want to try to do is to break down all of that nonsense and present a different kind of observation, which will be generative and collaborative, and it's going to result in some benefits for teachers rather than simply being frightened of having somebody sitting in your class. I hope you enjoy it.